Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a freelancer, independent contractor, or anyone dealing with non-employee compensation, you know that tax season can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to enter your 1099 NEC form in TurboTax for the 2025 tax year. This will help you file accurately and avoid any headaches with the IRS. Let's jump right in. First off, grab your 1099 NEC form. It's the one that reports payments for services you provided as a non-employee. Make sure you have details like the payer's information and the amounts paid. Step 1. Log into your TurboTax account. If you're starting fresh, select File My Taxes and choose the version that fits your needs, like the online edition or desktop software. Step 2. Once you're in, head to the Federal section. This is usually found on the main dashboard. Look for Wages and Income. That's where we'll enter your 1099 NEC. Step 3. In the Wages and Income area, scroll down to the Other Common Income category. Click on 1099 NEC, or Miscellaneous Income, if it's listed that way. TurboTax might prompt you with questions to confirm this is the right form. Step 4. Now, enter the key details. Start with the payer's name, address, and their federal ID number. Then, input the amounts from your form. Box 1 is for non-employee compensation, and if there are withholdings in Box 4, add those too. Step 5. Double-check everything for accuracy. TurboTax often has a review feature that flags potential errors, so take a moment to ensure all numbers match your original form. A quick tip. If you have multiple 1099 NEC forms, enter them one by one to keep things organized. And remember, if you're self-employed, you might need to report deductions separately under business expenses. Finally, once you're done, save your progress and continue with the rest of your return. You'll be ready to e-file or print in no time. There you have it. That's how to enter your 1099 NEC in TurboTax for 2025. Filing taxes doesn't have to be scary when you break it down like this. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tax tips. Drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.